At this secure Army base, the production of the POJ and advanced machinery ensure every component meets rigorous standards. Even at this stage, precision never stops. Raw materials arrive. Composite panels and advanced alloys are precisely unloaded, guided by hand signals from the team. Scanning complete. Materials verified. Quality control ensures every component meets strict military specifications. Automated carriers transport vital materials along secured pathways, embodying precision and aviation drives readiness for advanced aircraft. In the climate-controlled hall, automated systems precisely store raw materials for the safety officers confirm material readiness via digital dashboards. With protocols verified, assembly can proceed. In the inspection lab, advanced laser systems perform critical scans and cuts on post-precision. The graph names components face a critical stress test. Tension integrity holding, ensuring operational readiness. Approved materials are tagged green, and rejected ones are moved to a separate zone. In the heart of the base, CNC machines and expert technicians execute precision tasks. In the hangar, robotic systems place raw sheets into CNC machines with exacting precision, as skilled tech. Here, advanced CNC technology cuts embodying the pinnacle of military-industrial craftsmanship. Finished components slide from the assembly line, ready for final inspection, and riggers confirm precision and flawless contours. Here, skilled technicians perform final inspections and precision smoothing on the Graves components, ensuring flawless performance. In the heated protocols, automated systems and skilled staff ensure each component meets rigorous military standards. Composite panels are pressed into shape under hydraulic force, steam rising. Following the forming phase, the panels enter a controlled cooling process where robotic lifters hold them with precision as excess heat dissipates. Initiating symmetry check on left and right edges. Right edge aligned, proceeding to verify midsection. Stacked panels, now prepared, are maneuvered into position for this critical stage, the aircraft's structural integrity. In the secure assembly hangar, technicians align the fuselage sections with precision. In a secure hangar, technicians align fuselage sections with pinpoint laser precision, embodying the discipline of military aviation production. Inside the secure hangar, robotic arms join fuselage sections with absolute precision. Automated systems apply sealant along the fuselage seams with smooth, precise motion, ensuring structural integrity. Engineers monitor structural integrity on large wall screens, ensuring the fuselage meets exacting standards. The completed fuselage section is slowly lowered onto the assembly stand. Factory staff secure the component with disciplined precision. In the assembly bay, wing skeletons are laid out with precision, as skilled technicians ensure every component meets exacting standards. Inside the hangar, robotic tools and technicians install the internal ribs and supports, building the aircraft. Control surfaces are mounted with precision. Technicians use torque tools to secure each critical connection. Hydraulic lines are installed with precision, as fluid test machines activate to verify system integrity and performance. Neatly routing the electrical systems of gear with glowing diagnostic lights for operational readiness. The X-47B wing is lifted by the crane. Guided by the team, it integrates seamlessly with the fuselage. In the engine hall, the assembled power plant undergoes final checks by expert technicians, ensuring peak performance for the mission ahead. Technicians perform critical scans on the engine blades, verifying structural integrity. Readings are optic tools.
The advanced engine module is lifted with precision. Robotic systems ensure flawless integration for combat readiness.
The engine is aligned. Technicians engage the locking clamps. Clamps engaging. Hold steady. Confirmed. It's secure. Fuel and control systems connected. Hoses secured. And this system confirms activation as each diagnostic screen illuminates green, verifying full operational readiness. In the avionics lab, the team integrates cutting-edge sensors for the processing data now.
Calibration is stable.
Inside the secure hangar, technicians integrate advanced radar and sensor units into stealth air rows. Engineer Chief to T. Link established. Choose SIM confirming flow. Confirmed. Systems green. Inside the secure hangar, the X-47B's cockpit is meticulously prepared. Technicians position the seat and vent. Inside the secure hangar, technicians ensure every system is calibrated to exacting standards. Every landing begins here, a system engineered to absorb extreme force with flawless precision. The landing gear is installed, forming the aircraft's final physical connection to the ground. Each surface responds instantly, translating digital commands into physical motion. For the first time, the aircraft comes fully alive. Stealth is not just design, it is a carefully engineered surface. Each layer is applied with microscopic accuracy. Even the smallest variation is measured and corrected. The coating is cured, locking stealth properties into the aircraft's surface. The aircraft is cleared for trials. The next phase begins on the runway. Every movement follows strict operational protocol. All systems aligned for testing. Ground control confirms readiness. The pilot steps in to bring the aircraft to life. Human skill meets advanced engineering. The manufacturing journey is complete. Safety and precision guide every step. The pilot approaches the aircraft. Control shifts to the cockpit. Advanced avionics come online. Avionics are green, systems nominal. Confirmed, all parameters optimal. Power systems engage. The aircraft begins ground trials. Performance is tested at increasing speeds. The F-35 Lightning II takes to the sky. Flight systems perform as designed. Control and balance define the flight. The aircraft prepares to return. A successful landing confirms performance. Post-flight procedures begin. Pilot feedback is critical. Every flight generates valuable data. The aircraft meets expectations.
Agreed. The data is conclusive.
A shared achievement. This is precision. This is dedication. This is the future of aviation. Advanced scanning confirms the aircraft meets stealth standards.
Even at altitude, every second matters. The pilot becomes the system's final decision maker. In critical moments, training takes over. Human skill guiding advanced technology. This maneuver tests the aircraft's agility under extreme conditions.
Tactical response is tested without a single weapon fired. Precision without destruction.
Maximum power is applied as the aircraft begins rapid acceleration. The aircraft accelerates into supersonic speed, crossing critical performance thresholds. Like those trained by the Air Force, are known for discipline, control, and flawless executions. Like those trained by the Air Force, are known for discipline, control, and flawless execution. This level of maneuvering demands deep expertise, where pilot skill and aircraft design move as one. This level of maneuvering demands deep expertise, where pilot skill and aircraft design move as one.
This is not just an aircraft. This is the F-35 Lightning II.
Designed for dominance, shaped by precision, built to rule the skies. Every line, every surface engineered for clarity, speed, and control.
Inside the cockpit, a trained fighter pilot commands this machine with absolute authority.
When power is applied, the sky itself begins to move.
This is speed with control, strength with intent. And is called King of the Sky.
When this aircraft appears like this, something serious is happening.
This is not a routine flight. This is controlled aggression.
At this speed, only elite fighter pilots dare to turn.
This is how a fighter leaves danger behind.
Upside down, no hesitation, total control. This is how attack runs are practiced. Fast, precise, unforgiving. This is not flying. This is air dominance.
This is not a routine flight. This is a fighter entering dominant mode.
At this moment, the pilot flies on training, instinct, and absolute confidence. Speed here is not for show. It is a tactical advantage.
This is energy management at the highest level.
This is air power, controlled, precise, and unforgiving. This is where pilot endurance and aircraft limits meet. Reversal speed separates trained pilots from average ones.
Skill makes the difference.
This is precision. This is dedication. This is the future of aviation.